Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Hello and welcome to another College Investor Audio Show. If you are trying to make sense of your student loans, they're hard to make sense of sometimes. We are here to help. Figuring out the best way to pay off the loans can be very confusing. And when you look at the balance sheet, just a touch overwhelming. LoanBuddy is an online tool that helps borrowers understand their personal options so borrowers can make the best decisions about repayment. Here's what you need to know about this tool. LoanBuddy is an online tool that helps you understand your repayment options. Now, it considers all the major variables with your loans: your income, your family, and your career. Then, it provides a customized report that explains all your repayment options so you can just make a clear choice on repayment. Awesome. Now, in some cases, choosing the repayment plan with the absolute lowest monthly payment makes the most sense. But in other cases, you'll want to get your loans paid off as quickly as possible. LoanBuddy can help you make sense of your situation so that you can make better decisions overall. LoanBuddy also has premium features too, including document prep help for public service loan forgiveness and also a life event explorer, so users can explore repayment options based on major life events. Now, how much does LoanBuddy cost? Well, it does offer a free initial report to all users, which is good. Now, most people with student loans will be able to use the report just to make the smartest repayment decision for themselves. Honestly, the report is what the Department of Education should supply to all borrowers, but it doesn't, so you have to turn to outside tools like LoanBuddy. Now, in addition to the free report, LoanBuddy does offer a $99 per year premium subscription or $149 lifetime premium subscription. The premium offers debt repayment tracking tools and document prep help. So the document prep, just to go a little further, is specifically geared towards people who need to recertify themselves each year to determine if they qualify for loan forgiveness. LoanBuddy comes alongside of you and helps you to fill out these forms, which can help borrowers to stay on track for loan forgiveness. If you're someone who qualifies for public service loan forgiveness, PSLF, or another form of loan forgiveness, you might want to pay the $149 for the lifetime subscription. It will make the headache of annual recertification much less painful, and maybe even relieve the headache altogether. If you upgrade to the $99 or $149 option, you'll also get the option to recreate a report every time a life event happens. If you get married, divorced, have a baby, get a new job, your repayment options might change. LoanBuddy can help you explore repayment options based on the new life events. Now, is it secure? Well, LoanBuddy does ask users for loan information, so it adheres to bank-level security requirements. It also allows users to cancel accounts. LoanBuddy promises not to sell your information to partners unless you specifically agree to it. If you want to refinance to private student loans, LoanBuddy will send your information to third parties. Should you use it? I love LoanBuddy's free report, and I think most people with student loans should take advantage of that free option. LoanBuddy does a great job laying out the options for you. A friend who graduated from medical school used LoanBuddy and learned that she could qualify for loan forgiveness, and she was able to certify her first year in residency for a year that qualified for student loan forgiveness. Another friend chose to refinance to pay off his loans more quickly, and then even other friends have figured out that they have the right plan for their current circumstances. Overall, huge fan of that free plan. I think the use case for the premium plan is much more niche, if you will. The certification prep and storage features are useful, and for a one-time cost of $149, might be worth the money to you. That said, preparing documents for PSLF shouldn't be too difficult for most people, so the extra cost may not be worth it. That's it. Kind of a no-nonsense review of LoanBuddy. Hope that was helpful for you, especially if you're overwhelmed by the student loan process. I've been there. I know. But man, I also know how awesome it is to pay those things off. So we want to come together, come alongside of you, and help you to do that. The sooner the better, in my opinion. If you found this helpful, share this with somebody else. That's a huge help to us too, because we love to help other people. It's all about helping. How many times can an individual say the word help in 45 seconds? I think I just broke the record. If you want to find out more, you can check out our website, thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks so much for listening and have an awesome day.